Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Stuck on the Floor by HONESTAV. If you're new here, click that subscribe button, and also if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description on my Patreon link. All of my guitar tabs are posted there, as well as you can find my ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days. All of that's in the Patreon link, in the linked comment, and in the video description. Let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, we're in standard tuning, capo on the 2nd fret. You're going to start with your index finger, or I use my middle finger, on the 3rd fret of the A string, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And you're going to pluck the A string and the B string and the G string together. And when you pluck it, you do the A and then twice. Those are on the upbeat, so I'm still plucking down, but so once here, twice here. Then the picking is going to stay the same through the entire riff here, but you're going to move your middle finger down to the 3rd fret of the low E string, and you're just plucking these two open now. So you're going to take your ring finger off and you pluck the same way. So 1, 2, 2, or 2, 3, sorry. So then put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and your ring finger back on the 3rd fret of the B string. Pluck the same way. And then the easiest one, take that index finger off, play that open, and play the other 2 strings open. So all together slowly, it looks like there you have it guys, that's all there is to it. Keep practicing and you will have this song down in no time. Like I said, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it at the Patreon link that's in the video description and in the pinned comment below. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down there as well. If you become a patron on my Patreon page, I take requests now from all of my free and paid patrons. That's where I'm kind of pulling my requests from, and I'm going to be uploading some private guitar tutorials there. Also, if you want like a one-on-one lesson, you can sign up for that there as well. And if you want the ebook Master the Guitar in 7 Days, you can find that there as well. So check the Patreon link in the video description if you need any of that, and keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.